Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kanwar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we explored Veerbhadrasana 2, Warrior Pose 2. In today's session, let's delve into Utthita Parsvakonasana, extended lateral angle pose or extended side angle pose. I will provide the details on pose's shape, how to get into it, what to focus on during the pose, how to gracefully exit and the benefits it offers. Join me as we practice together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Are you ready? Today's pose is Utthita Parsvakonasana, extended lateral or side angle pose. It is a standing pose where one foot turns in, one leg turns out, one leg is bent and the other is straight. The right side waist extends over the bent right leg, facing forward with the left arm reaching overhead. Utthita Parsvakonasana. We are using two bricks here on the middle height. So you bring your bricks and set up your two bricks on the back edges of your mat at middle height. Then we start with mountain pose. Big toes, inner heels are touching, legs straight, arms by your side. Then bend your leg, bring your hands in front of your chest, exhale, jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, arm reaching. And now this pose is the combination of Utthita Konasana and Veerbhadrasana 2. Turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. On an exhale, bend your right leg and bring your right hand down on the floor. Left arm reaching up, then turn it from the shoulder as you bring it overhead. Palm is facing down towards the floor. So here in the place of you bring your hand down, you can use the brick. So you exhale and bring your right hand down on the brick. So you can press your palm into the brick. Bring your left arm overhead. Then press into your outer left heel down. Lift the inner left thigh up. As you lift your left inner thigh up, maybe your right leg unbend. It's fine, but maintain your inner left thigh up. As you bend your right leg, press down into your right heel, press your right knee and right arm into each other. Extend your trunk towards your right, reach through your left fingertips. Then turn the back of your head to look towards your left palm. Then to come out, press into your outer left heel, look in front, pull through your left arm, inhale, come up. Turn your feet to the parallel and repeat on another side. Put the brick back. Turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out, trunk extended, arm reaching. Exhale, bend your left leg. Then bring your left hand down on the brick outside of your left ankle. So bring your right arm up, turn it so palm is facing the floor as you bring it overhead. Press down into your outer right heel down. Lift your right inner thigh up. Maintain it. Press down into your left heel down. Press your left knee and left arm into each other. Extend your trunk towards the left, reach through your right fingertips. Turn the back side of your head to look towards your right palm. Press down into your outer right heel. Look in front, pull through your right arm. Inhale, come up. Turn your feet to the parallel. Bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. Benefits of Utthita Parsvakonasana. This asana tones up the ankles, knees and thighs. It develops the chest, reduces the fat around waist and hips and relieves sciatic and arthritic pains. It also increases peristaltic activity, helps digestion, and aids elimination. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a better alignment through yoga. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in comments below. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.